Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Create a virtual environment with Python mvenv and activate it. Keep dependencies isolated to avoid system conflicts. Install necessary packages with pip install requests or pip install OpenEye depending on the API. User requirements. TXT file to record exact package versions for reproducibility. Never hardcode credentials in source code. Instead, set your API key in an environment variable called API KEY for security. Confirm the environment using Python mpiplist to verify installed packages. Build a request object containing the endpoint, headers, and payload before sending. Include authorization, bearer API KEY in headers to authenticate every call. Use requests, post or requests. Get with JSON equals data to send JSON bodies and set timeout values. Always check response. Status code and parse response. JSON for return data and error messages. Handle non-200 responses with conditional logic to retry or raise a clear exception. Log request ID and timestamps to help debug intermittent failures. Implement retries with exponential backoff and a max retry count of 5 to handle transient errors. Respect rate limits by reading headers and sleeping between requests when necessary. Secure secrets with environment variables or a secrets manager like AWS Secrets Manager to avoid leaks. Use structured logging with timestamps and request ID for reproducible debugging. Consider async libraries like HTTPX or AOP for concurrency and await calls to improve throughput and responsiveness. Write unit tests that mock API responses to validate your client logic.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.